All right. So now it's about a few hours later, and it's pretty much made it stay still on ground. Yeah. We had a blizzard just a little bit ago, and that made things pretty cool, I guess. And while I was out here, I seen some trees blow snow off the trees blew snow off. And now about got an inch or a few by now. But it ain't supposed to continue, like I said earlier. It about continue towards about 11 p.m. tonight. You might see a foot of snow or a few. Right now it's snowing pretty good. Pretty decent. This is our winter wonderland. And the wind's blowing at me.